Scientific notation. Scientific notation is a shorthand method of expressing very large or very small numbers. A number when expressed using scientific notation is the product of two numbers. Product, remember, means we multiply. One of them is a number equal to or greater than 1, but less than 10. Now, we usually refer to this as A. So what we're saying here is that A is greater than or equal to 1, but it's less than 10. So we'd be allowed 9.9, but not 10 itself to be that number. The other part is a power of 10. The form is A times 10 to the n, where, as we mentioned over here, A is between 1 and 10, but n has to be an integer. So some examples would be things like 3 times 10 to the 8. This one here is the speed of light in meters per second, for example. And it means 3 with 8 zeros behind it. Something like 2.43 times 10 to the negative 5 is also in scientific notation. But if we had 12 times 10 to the power 3, that wouldn't be in scientific notation because, of course, we have something here that isn't in this range. If you had 1.2 times 10 to the 2.5, that wouldn't be in scientific notation because the number here is not an integer. Now, any number greater than 10 will have a positive power of 10. For example, if we write 200 in scientific notation, we write it as 2 times 10 squared. A number less than 1 will have a negative power of 10. For example, 0.003 will be written as 3 times 10, and let's look where we need to move the decimal point to. So we moved it 3 places, so that would be 10 to the negative 3. A number between 1 and 10, 10 not included, will have 0 as a power of 10. For example, the number 8 is 8 times 10 to the power 0.